Hello guys, another video where I will be talking about the mantra in the I Am Mantras book by Elliot L.I. Jackson, actually written by Source, that which you call God, but they like to introduce themselves as all there is, was, and ever shall be. And in today's chapter, we will be talking about the chapter 3, I Am Creator. So as you already know, I'm here in Barcelona on holidays. My son is currently having his English class with an amazing teacher from South Africa, so that's why you see me here in the bathroom. But anyway, also the previous videos that I recorded, yes, I have to admit it, the quality is a bit too shaky, but you know, it's a journey, it's a learning journey, it's a learning curve, so bear with me. I already find a way to fix it, so let's get it started. Chapter 3, I am creator. There is nothing I cannot do. I am provider. I can provide for self and any others that I wish or desire to. I am obtainer. There is nothing I cannot obtain if I but wish or desire to. I am shaper of myself. I am able to cause myself to be that which I desire to be. I am former of self. No one causes me to be, save self. I am captain of my own ship, which includes relationships. I am captain of self. I am dream maker. I am able to take my dreams and desires and bring them into reality. I am creator. I create. So it is uttered. So it is. Okay guys, so that was the third mantra, and now we are going to read it once again, but then I will be giving you my own understanding of the words. I am creator. Like I already said, I'm not surprised that now on Instagram or when it comes to content creator, we are being called creators. I am certain that that was like a whisper from source to whoever had that idea, so that the masses can start thinking about themselves as being creators, because we completely we all receive the information somehow that says that we are everything but creators, that we are not creating our own reality. But I think with this new terminology that's being used, actually it's not new, but we just started using it when it comes to content creation, it's going to start, expanding the mind of people and see that, okay, I changed my life because I started creating content. Then can I change my life if I just start creating in general? And once we start understanding that the act of creation includes doing, but that before doing comes the thoughts, then it means you can create with any thought that you have. And in fact, you are creating with every thought that you have. There is nothing that I cannot do. I am provider. You see, we live in a society where so many of us struggle to provide, and when I say we, it also includes everyone, including myself. And sometimes I tend to think that am I going to be able to give these amazing holidays to my family? Will I be able to give this amazing English teacher to my son because I want his English to avoid? So when I read this mantra and I come to I am provider, I can provide for self and any others that I wish or desire to. Honestly, I feel more empowered. I am more empowered because then I know I just need to desire it more. I just need to wish it more and then keep thinking about it and put more actions into it. I am obtainer. There is nothing that I cannot obtain if I but wish or desire to. So again, not only I can provide, but I can also obtain whatever I wish. And this makes me think about the power of a vision board. You see, recently I jumped on a challenge organized by Stephen Bartlett, the host of Diary of a CEO. You might know him. There were more than 16,000 people who applied on the challenge, and I ended up being second. By the way, in October I will be in Los Angeles to meet him. But you know, something that I did was actually to have the logo of that company on my vision board. And I also had a sentence saying best seller stan.store. So the company stan.store. I am. So I had a mantra glued to my vision board. And I have this thing where when I do not forget, I spend 5 minutes in front of my vision board just looking at it. That's my way of bringing my desire, of putting my focus on my desire. You see what I mean? And yeah, 5 weeks later, I ended up having that amazing news, making me the second. So I highly encourage you to do your vision board like today, but also make it a fun experience. Like, dress well, go out there, put your best perfume before going out there. You see what I mean? Go out there, shop for the magazines, and then when you're at home, make sure you have an amazing pair of scissors, put a nice music, start cutting it, and then buy yourself a nice frame at the shop, a nice A3 size white paper, and then you glue all the photos from it. I also highly encourage you to have photos of yourself on your vision board. And yeah, when you can, I hope you're better than me when it comes to that. Spend 5 minutes per day just looking at the vision board. It's a way of, you know, putting your focus on your desire. I am shaper of myself. I am able to cause myself to be that which I desire to be. So this is really interesting because I really aim to have the body of an athlete, right? So on my vision board, I have photos of athletes and stuff like that. So I started running, going to the gym, but deep down, I still know that I haven't been putting the consistency that I need to be. But again, when I come here and I read, I'm like, okay, it's me shaping my body. It's me shaping my body and nothing else, no one else, not the food. So putting my focus onto there is going to help me. And hopefully, because you subscribe to this channel, you're going to be able to see that transformation. I am former of self. No one causes me to be, save self. My understanding of this sentence is that you create your own life, you create who you are, you create who you become, and no one else is, no one else. The thing is, it's not even God, it's you, because God gave us, gave you, Source gave us, gave you, gave me the power to create our lives. You see what I mean? So it's not even Source creating anything at this point. Source gave us, it's like Source outsource. Oh, that's interesting. Source outsource the power of creation to us. And now we are creating our lives. No one else is. But here's the thing. As soon as you're going to try with your higher intention on your highest idea, Source is always there to help us. Always there to push us to make sure that things will go our way so that we can have that confidence and start building on it. I am captain of my own ship, which includes relationship. This is, bro, being married, this is like, it doesn't matter what happened to your relationships, it is you driving the ship. It is you the captain. It is not the other person, it is not whoever you think it is, but you. So you see, when you read this thing multiple times, it becomes difficult to lie to yourself. I swear. I am a dream maker. I love this. I am a dream maker. I am able to take my dreams and desires and bring them into reality. Honestly, my son is turning 10 next month, and I see how powerful it is to have kids still dreaming, Matter of fact, I think it's still important for adults, but the way kids can accept their ideas and start believing on it, acting on it, I feel like it's something that us adults, we kind of lost. So the dream part is really interesting. I am able to take my dreams and desires and bring them into reality. And then Saul says, I am creator, I create. I am creator, I create. The chapter is I am creator, and at the end he comes again saying, I am creator, I create. What makes you a creator is the fact that you create. You cannot be a creator if you stop creating. So my question to you, to me, to us is, what is the last thing that we created? Not that we copied, something that we actually created, that came from our mind, and then we tried it, and then we saw the result. The results may have been serving us or not serving us. That doesn't matter. But when is the last time that we create? Honestly, hopefully in the next few weeks, I will be launching my challenge here of, 7 days of creation or 14 days of creation, where we're just gonna create. Because sometimes you create something with an end goal in mind, but then the result that you have doesn't please you, but still it keeps you creating. You see what I mean? So the end goal that we sometimes have in mind is not necessarily the best thing to serve us in order to bring us where we are trying to go. So sometimes this first result is going to lead to the second result, is going to lead to the third result, is going to lead to the 15th result, and then we're going to be able to see a piece of the bigger picture. So it is uttered. So it is. Again, that's the sentence that comes and seals everything that you read so far, so that the universe know, okay, this is what you are claiming for yourself. This is what you are currently creating for yourself and on yourself. But again, before you even ask, the universe has already delivered. And now it's up to you to go from this level of energy that you have. It can be here, it can be here, it can be here, whatever. And then raise your vibration, like raise your frequency and your energy in order to match the energy of the person that you're seeking. Like if you're a creator and you're here and you're never creating, you're never putting anything outside, you're never painting, you're never writing, you're never singing, you're never posting content on Instagram, on TikTok. If after reading this, you're still here, you haven't matched the energy of the creator that you are claiming. So the goal now, after you read this, is to go on your day and remember that you're a creator and that there is nothing that you, we, us cannot do, because we are source energy. We have within us the energy that creates worlds. But that energy only updates itself based on the understanding, based on the way we see ourselves. So if you don't see yourself as a creator, if you don't see yourself as a God, if you don't see yourself as someone who has full power on your life, that power will never raise what you think you are. But once at a consistently base, you start seeing yourself as a magnificent creature. Once you start seeing yourself as an amazing being, as a creator, as someone with an amazing mind, then that power updates itself and start creating at the level that you see yourself, right? So that's why it's serving us. It is going to serve all of us once we start refusing all of the ideas that we heard about ourselves. I remember growing up, going to church with my mom and all that, but always not feeling good there. It's almost like the information that I was receiving there, my soul was like, there's something off. And it's only when I was 14 that I decided to completely stop going to church, stop, all the teachings and all that, only to realize that some of the teaching that the teachers were emphasizing on was the fact that you are here, that you are less than, that you are a sinner, that you did bad stuff, and then a power outside of you needs to come magically in order to, to save you, to raise you, to elevate you. But you can only have what you have, right? You can only have what you have. You cannot have what you don't have. That's how it works. Remember that power that I explained? That power only reaches the level according to what you believe. So if you believe that your power is zero, that power is going to go to zero. If you believe that that power is the power of someone bad, someone that did sins and stuff like that, that power is going to update there. You see? So that's why it is so important for each and every one of us to start having books like this, the I Am Mantras, and reading them every day, because those words that you're reading, right, they are not only going outside to the universe, but they are first vibrating within yourself. So can you imagine what those words are doing inside of you? Because there is a being inside of you. The self lives inside of us, and we've been feeding self with all the words, all the ideas, all those stuff that we heard growing up. But once you came across this truth, once you came across those words that have been written by the highest energy, by pure love, by source, by all there is, was, and ever shall be, excuse me, then the being inside of you starts remembering who it really is. And then your body starts reacting different. I swear, that's how it is. If you interview my wife now and you ask her, who was your husband, back then boyfriend, 2 years ago, 4 years ago, I wasn't near this person that I am now. And I can tell you that books written by Eliot when he was channeling Source are mind-blowing. So I'm going to put the link of the book in the description below. Let me know in the comment what you thought about this video, and let me know if you want me to continue this series or not. But here's the thing, I'm going to continue anyway, all right? But man, I'm so excited for you because you are just tapping into something really, really amazing. And I am working on a way to always start my videos and end my videos so I can have that structure. So let me start today. I hope I will remember. No, not I hope. I am going to remember it for the next video. Let me know how you felt in the comment watching this video. Let me know how you felt in your body when you're watching this video. And I will see you in the next. Peace.